Alright guys, well, in the last episode you saw me shorten this torque tube by 4.5 inches. So we're at a 100-inch wheelbase now. The 72 Vet behind me has a 98-inch wheelbase. So I think it's time to slide this underneath that 72 just to see how it looks. What do you guys think? Stay tuned. Don't think she wanted it that much. Engine around a little bit here. Ooh, yeah. Well, I am taking a break here because I just smashed the heck out of my finger. I didn't realize my finger was on a pinch point, and when that jack fell out, it caught it right there. And I cleaned it up, but you can see that it was bleeding all the way around the fingernail here. So we'll keep this thing monitored for the next few days and see if it turns black and falls off or not. So definitely, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe! Okay, it's time to fire up this winch for the first time in about 6 months, so look out. I'll get the solenoid's cooking. Come on. battery for this. Okay, yeah. Battery's not happy. I'm using an old battery. It's kind of a voltage sink, and it's not quite cutting it. So I'm going to have to get a newer battery to put on there to help raise this 12-volt winch up. That part should slide up pretty fast.
Yeah, I will slide it up.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, so let's see if we can move this thing over. Easier said than done. Nothing in the way?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we can remove this handle, I guess. Let me get some. Okay, that's out.
Okay.
Push. Alright, just jack it up a little higher. Get over there. Okay.
Or the engine, what do you call it?
Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Jack over there is sideways, right?
Yeah. Keep pushing.
Whether I get his jack.
Close there.
Yeah. This thing is on the way, I think.
Hang on. Let me see what's in the way. Probably should have put that button on the other side. Oh, you're way over here.
What?
It needs to go much more that way, I think.
Forward?
Pushed it in. Hang on a second. Let me just double check. Because I am a foot from the edge of the car over here. Like, what, like 6 inches in? Yeah. Alright, it looks like we'll have to roll the whole thing forward. Maybe. Let's see. I'm going to push this way in.
This way in?
Yeah. Way in. What's forward over here? Hang on. Let me back up some. I'm just kind of looking right now.
I put your gloves on me.
You drop it down a little bit more. We're fixing to hit back here, I think. Some way. Here.
I think that box, the black box, is in our head. This thing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Because I think it's too narrow and the bottom part is too wide.
I think I can go ahead and drop this thing down. Watch out for your fingers here. I want to drop the jack out.
Right here, the wheel is going to hit the fender. Are you pushing forward?
No, I'm just getting the jack out right now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to drop it down just a hair bit more.
It's hitting this box. And it's hitting this metal thing right here. On top of it, yeah. I don't know what that. Be a little bit more hard.
Well, the motor is where it is based on where the suspension is, so it could be further back, but no, based on where the suspension is, that's bad. Yeah. Now we have the option of sliding it back farther, but you know, as you slide the engine back farther, you also slide the rear wheels back farther,
Yeah. And right now it looks like the wheels need to come forward.
and the wheels really need to go forward if anything.
Yeah.
So, like I said.
It looks pretty good center.
The question is, we're definitely out of room on the storage boxes. They're hitting mostly in the middle on the transmission. So I could probably pop in there and get my Sawzall, and well, I could probably go from the inside. And cut out some fiberglass in the middle, make a little more room so it'll drop down lower. Okay, so we're going to lower this down some more. We're going to try to put those A-arms
Yeah.
right in the hole there, right in the pocket. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
And it's going to hit in the back, that's for sure, but
Yeah.
okay, going down. Alright, so good.
The wheel, right now the wheel is hitting the fender in the front.
So let's go backwards. Alright, so you push back into here. Right there.
Yeah.
Move your wood block, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Going down. How's it looking over there?
Moving okay?
Starting to get a little interference over here.
But it still has space.
Alright, let's see here. See, it looks super crooked inside here. And the Corvette is crooked or what? Yeah, I think the Corvette's crooked now. I'm going to throw a few pieces of wood underneath it. This is like 4.5 inches of wood here.
Do you need another 2x4?
Yeah, let me try to drop it here first, see how it looks.
Okay.
That's better. What do you think? All right, we'll go down a little more. Ready?
Yeah.
That's
Here is here.
Yeah, I think that's about it over here. I've got like an inch clearance on the back of that rail. And yeah, half inch clearance. So it's pretty close to where it needs to be right there. That is pretty close. Then I have to cut out a little bit bigger on later on, but getting pretty close. That's about where that front wheel is going to sit, right there. So let's look at the back again. Okay. Yeah, boy, I tell you.
You need to have tractor tires in the back.
Yeah, we're hitting really hard. I don't know if we're going to be able to get a good look at that, how that tire is going to look until I cut the fiberglass. I think that's going to be the next step, is to cut the fiberglass. You know, we're getting into the car, you know, General Lee style. And if Junker Up is watching, you had better subscribe. Jesse Duke would have been proud. There's the transmission. Right there. So we're making room for it. I gotta cut a little more out here. And over around here.
Action.
Alright, so right now my cut is pretty even right to left, and you can see that the body is a little bit too far over the side, so we're going to try to push this body over about 1 inch and see if it'll drop down and clear this bell housing a little bit more. So let's do that real quick and see how it looks.
It's going too much the other way.
Yeah.
But it doesn't drop down. I think
Doesn't want to drop.
It's the boxes in the back.
I think it's the boxes in the back.
Yeah, the boxes in the back hit the...
Yeah, it's starting to hit on the passenger side, yeah.
Yeah.
We want to sit on the passenger side and not this side. Alright, so I think I've cut everywhere that I need to get this thing to sit down. This part of the body needs to go down probably a good foot or so. So I may need to remove this tunnel here altogether, but let's go ahead and chop those boxes in the back and see how it looks. Alright, so these are the cargo boxes behind the seats on the Vette. And this is going to interfere, for sure, with the chassis. So I'm just going to go and cut it all the way across here. Maybe cut it down first. I don't know. We'll see. And just get this out of the way. It's kind of dark back here.
Yeah.
Going up. A little bit over there. Let's see, hit it with a punch. Let's slowly go back down. Let me check the front real quick, make sure everything's still okay. Yeah, that looks good up front. Oh. Now we are hitting on the frame rails. So I gotta chop these next. They're too wide. Alright, let's drop this thing back down again. Let's see how far we can go.
I think it's hitting a rubber hose in the back, or
Yeah?
yeah, the rubber hose that goes next to the transmission. Yeah.
Ooh. Where are we hitting?
That one is, I told you, the rubber hose right there, you see? That metal thing, I think it's hitting there.
Huh, okay.
Or not. I thought it was hitting that, but maybe not.
No, I think we're hitting
Still?
this bar wheel last year goes across. It's like this little cross piece.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to cut that to make more room.
Yeah. Yanichi cuts more of the metal that goes around the transmission case, I think. Or what is that, the transmission?
Yeah, that's the well, the belt housing for the transmission.
The belt
Yeah.
housing, yeah, right there in the corner, you see?
Yeah.
It's just behind those.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little more cutting. So maybe we should give that a wrap for the night. All right, so this is going slow here. The front's looking pretty cool, but the back still needs to come down quite a few more inches. So it's gonna take some more cutting. So stay tuned.